it's Lisa, and I'm always cooking. Today, I am making Better Than Box macaroni and cheese in the electric pressure cooker. I have been on a mission to get my children to like my macaroni and cheese better than the box, and I have finally succeeded with one unexpected ingredient. I will show you what it is. Ready to do this? Let's go. And here's the ingredients you will need for Better Than Box macaroni and cheese. 1 pound of pasta. I have shells, elbow macaroni will work as well. 4 cups of water, half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, half a teaspoon each, kosher salt, black pepper, mustard powder and onion powder, a few dashes of hot sauce. This is completely optional. My kids never know what's in there. 8 ounces of shredded cheese. I'm using Colby Jack. And here's our unexpected ingredient, American cheese products. 4 ounces of this. If you're not into using this, you can use 4 ounces of cream cheese as well. Into the pressure cooker goes the pasta. Spice mixture. Optional hot sauce. Water. And don't forget the butter like I almost did. The lid goes on, locked into place, and pressure cook for 3 minutes. Quick release the pressure and remove the lid. Set the cooker to saute. We want to get a little bit more heat in the pan to encourage the cheese to melt. Add half of both of the cheeses, followed by the milk, and finally add in the remaining cheese. Stir until well combined. Cheese. How's it gonna taste, damn it? How do you think it's gonna taste?
Good.
How good will it be?
I like your mac and cheese, so good. Amazing.
Better than box macaroni and cheese?
Probably.
Creamy. All right. Ready? Cheers.
Jesus.
I need some.
She's watching us eat right here. We didn't give her some.
She didn't want some.
I wanted some.
All right. If you like this video, subscribe, please. Thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you tried this macaroni and cheese. Bye.
I'm gonna keep eating because this is good.